Hi everyone and welcome to the awards no one has ever asked for. And yet, after the inaugural Tectone Awards in 2021, I decided to present some awards again to a few of my personal favorite products in 2022. The categories and the winners might sound a little random here and there, but you are not supposed to take it seriously, as all this only reflects on how I personally feel about certain products. Of course, I did not review each and every single earbud or headphone that came to market in the last 12 months, so only those are qualified that I tested myself with my own two hands and own two ears. So without further ado, let's see the winners. Now, the first award is also one of the most important ones in my opinion, as even though there are countless functions that earbuds have to offer these days, their primary purpose is still bringing music to our everyday lives. Or at least that's how I look at them myself. So the I just want to enjoy my tunes wherever I might be award goes to the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3. I know, a lot of you may ask, hey, what about the Bang & Olufsen Beoplay EX? But I did not test those buds, so I cannot really confirm any of the good things you may have heard about their sound quality. However, what I experienced firsthand with the Sennheiser was a taut bass, rich vocals, sparkly highs, loads of musical detail, a wide and spacious soundstage and pinpoint imaging. And that's plenty enough for me personally. But the Momentums are not without fault. For example, you could get a slightly better seal or comfort, and this last one, I mean comfort in particular, can be a deal breaker for some. And the LG Tone Free T90 is a fine example of how to make earbuds disappear in your ears thanks to the combination of their design, size and weight, and let's not forget about those medical grade silicone ear tips which can help reducing potential skin irritation. So the "let's forget that the earbuds are even in my ears" award goes to the LG Tone Free T90. Next up is an easy one, as it's been established through countless tests and reviews that the latest Bose QuietComfort buds are indeed a step ahead of their rivals when it comes to active noise cancelling. So the Leave Me the F Alone award goes to the Bose QC Mark II. However, if you want all your surroundings to be an integral part of your everyday life, then the Apple AirPods Pro 2s are your best bet, and therefore they get the Least Socially Awkward award. Next up is the longest feature list I can go through with one breath award, which goes to the LG Tone Free T90. Now, let me give it a go. Wireless charging, Dolby Atmos, spatial audio with head tracking, Snapdragon sound, aptX adaptive, low latency game mode, plug and wireless UV Nano multi-point with automatic switching, manual multi-pairing, autoplay pause, Find My Earbuds custom EQ, and multiple Meridian DSP modes. That's quite a breathtaking list of features if you ask me. And while the LG buds are still with us on stage, I would quickly give them the easiest to handle award as well. Prompt reaction times with great accuracy and feedback, and almost limitless customization which make the touch controls an absolute winner on the T90. The LG smartphone app is not too shabby either, but the most you can play around with award goes to the Sennheiser Smart Control smartphone app, thanks to mostly its well thought out UI and usability, and of course there are tons of functions and settings on offer here too. The Health and Safety Award goes to the Haylou PurFree BC01 bone conduction headphones with their comfortable open-ear design, detailed sound, and there is the lack of vibrations, which is also something I consider a huge advantage when compared to other offerings on the market. But it has no onboard storage, nor it is completely waterproof, and since I only tested one product recently that can meet both criteria, the My Best Pool Body award has to go to the Nyanka Runner Diver bone conduction headphones. Now, I don't have a funny name for this next one, but the Best Earbuds of the Year for Android Users award goes to the Sennheiser Momentum 3. aptX support, multi-point use and excellent sound, wireless charging and a feature-packed smartphone app make the Sennheiser one of the most compelling packages across the board. But it's the Apple AirPods Pro 2 which takes home the award for being the best choice for Apple enthusiasts. If you want to use the best of the best with your iPhone and Apple Music along with all the other services and features the Apple ecosystem has to offer, then the second-gen AirPods Pro must be a no-brainer for you. However, if you would like to spend a little less money than what either the Momentums or the AirPods Pros cost, yet you don't want to skimp on features and sound quality, then let me introduce to you the One More Evo, which goes home with the Best Value Earbuds of the Year award. You get a plethora of features such as LDAC support, wireless charging, multi-point, a great smartphone app, and good ANC. And if we add the dual concentric drivers and the wonderfully open, detailed and lively sound to this list, then we get a potent mix regardless of price. But these earbuds cost less than most of the top dogs out there, and that makes them an exceptionally good deal. And as an extra, I would also like to give the most pleasant surprise of the year award to the One More Evo along with the LG Tone Free TF8, as I did not expect either of these two buds to perform as well as they did when I tested them. Next, I'm going to give the AirPods Pro 2 yet another award, this time for being the best everyday earbuds, because when I'm not testing something else, then these are the ones that end up in my ears the most. I can watch the news, listen to music, go out for a run or simply just stroll around in town using my Pro 2s. And I can also travel with them thanks to their low profile, their excellent ANC and great comfort. So these are my favorite multi-purpose everyday buds without a doubt. But when all I want is to sit down, listen to music and relax, I always use my Focal Celestee closed back wired headphones, so they get the Best Music Listening Experience award. I didn't want to give them the Best Headphones award, as I did not test many other headphones this year to be honest, but I simply love how my favorite songs sound through these cans. Especially when used with the iFi Hip Deck 2, which allows me to enjoy those songs anywhere inside my apartment or even outside on the go. It's small but packs quite a punch and it offers quite a few features, so it gets the My Favorite Piece of Tech award. And it also comes in this gorgeous burnt orange color, and that fact alone earns it the Most Handsome Piece of Tech award. Well, if I think about it, maybe it should share this honor with the Focal Celestee. But anyway, this is where the Tech-Tone Awards 2022 has to come to an end, as I don't want to drag it out any longer. If you want to hear more about any of the products I mentioned in this video, then check out my channel and look up the individual reviews you are interested in. I'll be back with more content in 2023, so make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. To those who have been following me for a while, thank you for all your support. You know, I appreciate every single minute you spend on watching my videos or getting engaged in the comments. Thanks everyone again for watching. See you next time. And as an extra, I would also like to give the Most Pleasant Surprise of the Year award to the One More